figures of speech, and today we are going to learn about personal pronouns. Can everybody say personal pronouns?
Personal pronouns.
But now, before we go to personal pronouns, who can tell us what is a pronoun? Who can remind us? We learned the other day, what is a pronoun? We start from there.
A pronoun is a word that we use in place of a noun.
Yes, so we use a pronoun in place of a noun, and in most cases we use it to substitute a noun to avoid repeating the same word all the time, okay?
Yes.
So today, just as I've said, that we are going to learn about personal pronoun. Can everybody say personal pronoun?
Personal pronoun.
I'm going to tell you what a personal pronoun is. So a personal pronoun is a word that is used in place of a person or a thing. Number one, we have he. Can everybody say he?
He.
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 So he is a personal pronoun. He is a what?
Personal pronoun.
We have another word. We have she. Everybody say she.
She.
Can we read this number?
431.
431 subtract what?
8.
Yes, so 431 subtract 8. And as we said earlier, that when we are subtracting, we must start from the left side. I mean from the right hand side. Are we together?
Yes.
Now here, we want to subtract, so we start with 1, subtract 8. 1, take away 8. Is it possible?
No.
Can we subtract 8 from 1?
No.
It is not possible. Why is it not possible, class?
Number is smaller.
Yes, correct. Because the number at the top is smaller than the number at the bottom. Therefore, it is not possible to subtract. So what do we do, class? When the number is small, what do we do when we want to subtract?
Borrow from the next number.
Correct. We borrow from the next number. What is our next number?
3.
So we want to borrow here. How many? What do we borrow from 3?
1.
We borrow 1 from 3. And where do we take that 1? We put it there, isn't it?
Yes.
Therefore, our number becomes 11. So when we borrow 1 from 3, what are we left with?
2.
We are left with 2. Always remember to write it down. When you don't write it down, you will definitely forget. Now, our number has now changed. So what number do we have here?
11.
We have number 11, subtract 8. Is it possible now?
Yes.
So what is 11 subtract 8, class? Yes?
3.
Correct. 3. We get 3 there. Then, which number do we have here?
2.
2 subtract what? 2 subtract what?
Nothing.
Nothing. What do we get?
2.
Correct. And here we have which number?
4.
4 take away.
Nothing.
What do we get?
4.
Correct. So our answer is?
423.
423. We make sure that you borrow from the next number, okay?
Yes.
If it is smaller, you must borrow. We must do what?
Borrow.
So remember to borrow. So I want to give you some work as homework. This is what you are going to do at home. Make sure that you do it correctly. Make sure that you borrow where necessary, okay?
Yes.
So write down this work as your homework. Arrange your work well. That is our lesson for today. And I've said that is part of your homework. When you go back home, say hi to mommy and daddy and I wish you a good evening.
Yeah, thank you very much, Head Teacher Joyce, for the good work that you are doing. Very, very wonderful work.
Thank you.
Having a number of 400 pupils, I know it's a great job that you are doing.
Sure.
And I give you a hug for that, and may God bless you.
Thank you, David.
Thank you, and have a good evening.
God bless you too.